Did you notice the sentiment spike at plus 0.11 combined with momentum surging to plus 0.86? That's notable because it's significantly above our historical baseline, suggesting a shift in sentiment that could influence trading strategies. With 19 semantic clusters in play, you can dive deeper into the nuances of what's driving this movement. Our API returns rich data that helps you understand the underlying factors affecting financial sentiment. Imagine integrating this into your trading algorithms to adjust your positions based on real-time sentiment shifts. For instance, if you're developing a model for predictive analytics, this data can help you identify not just where the momentum is, but why it's happening, giving you an edge in your decision-making. Ready to leverage this insight? Head over to pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs to get started.